This is the SANDMARC Anamorphic Lens for your iPhone. It has cinema-engineered glass with oval bokeh to capture a wider perspective. The lens is portable and lightweight. It comes with a case mount, which is well designed. Just put on the phone case, screw the lens on tightly, and you're good to go. And also make sure the white lines on both the phone case and the lens are aligned so that there are no image distortions. You could also use the clip mount without the case, whichever way you prefer. There is also a pouch for you to carry the lens around easily. The anamorphic lens offers an ultra-wide aspect ratio by capturing much more horizontal information than the standard iPhone lens. But to see everything in perspective, you will have to desqueeze the footage in post. It also offers dramatic horizontal lens flares over light sources, perfect for setting the mood for night scenes and giving your shots a cinematic look. If you would like to explore the magical world of iPhone cinematography, the SANDMARC Anamorphic Lens could be the starting point of your exciting journey ahead.